Huh?
Uh-oh, guess what day it is? Guess what day it is? Huh? Anybody?
वेल 2026 हैज़ ऑलरेडी स्टार्टेड एंड ऐसा फील हो रहा है जैसे कि अभी एक महीना शुरू ही हुआ है लेकिन एनिमे ऑफ द ईयर ऑलरेडी डिसाइडेड हो चुका है. मतलब व्हाट डू यू मीन, देयर इज़ अ शो आउट देयर जो एक निकलते ही उसका फर्स्ट एपिसोड मीम एबिलिटी क्वालिटी का होता है. लाइक दिस मीम इज़ लाइक सो वायरल कि वो सारी की सारी फैंडम्स के अंदर भी घुस चुकी है. तो ऑफ कोर्स इट इज़ पॉसिबल कि ये एनिमे ऑफ द ईयर भी कहलाई जाएगी. But more than the memeability of the show, I really want to put a highlight कि भाई शो में ये शो क्यों इतना इम्प्रेसिव है. I mean जब किसी एनिमे की मीम इतनी फेमस हो जाएगी वो बाकी सारे फैंडम्स में जा चुकी है तो हम ऐसा एज्यूम क्यों नहीं करेंगे कि ये एनिमे ऑफ द ईयर कहलाई जाएगी. More than the memeability of the show, I'm far thrown away by the creativity. Like oh my god, the creative direction. मतलब आई स्टिल रिमेंबर जब मैंने सीजन 1 की सुकुना वर्सेस मोहरागा वाली फाइट देखी थी, इट वाज ब्यूटिफुल. ओके, आई स्टिल रिमेंबर लाइक दैट फाइट सीन वाज कलर्स थ्रोन ऑनटू द स्क्रीन लाइक fireworks were in front of my eyes. It was that brilliant. The bow and the Sukuna's bow, which was not in the manga, but the creative direction took it so it made like one of the beautiful scenes of the destruction of Shibuya. And the Utahime and the Meme's abandoned building scene was nothing short of a horror show. Like it was beautiful. And now season 3 doesn't give us any opportunity to think otherwise. मतलब like first scenes, पहले episode के पहले scene में enter करते हुए हम लोग यूजी का वो hand wash scene देखते हैं. It means like the creative direction is so amazing in this show. Like the first scene is just that the blood of Yuji's hand is not washing away, like highlighting the fact that जो उसने किया है, जो उसके हाथों से किसी डेथ हुई है, he can never erase it. Like it's literally now his fate to bear the consequences of what he has done. In episode 1, besides everything, we got Zesty Yuta, which was, mind you, not in the anime like that. It was purposely made by the creative direction. It was a choice. I mean, exactly, highlighting the point of the memeability of the show. Then we got this amazing car chase scene in the episode 1, which was, mind you, not in the manga. It was more than that chase scene. It was कि car thrown हो रही है and then they're fighting with the car. It was brilliant in manga, but I do not have any complaints about it. जैसे ही episode 1 end हुआ, it left me feeling for more. And especially the scene where we see Zenin clans, you know, the meeting in that room. Mind you, let me show you the panel. जो वो scene animate हुआ था, जो creative direction choose किया. It was like my favorite scene. It was like my favorite scene from the entire first episode. Like this is the panel and this was the scene. Like absolute cinema. Episode 2, I was embarrassed on behalf of this little shit. I mean, इतनी aura farm, double quotes aura farm करते हुए उसने episode 1 में entry लिया and episode 2 में वो जीतता नहीं. अगर चोसो से वो जीतता नहीं अगर यूटा शो नहीं होता तो. I mean, this is literally rage baiting 101. You know what? I really love Jujutsu Kaisen. ठीक है, Jujutsu Kaisen is like one of the epitome of like modern shoujo shinen anime where we witness the wonders of animators, you know, with best technology out there. But it is not one of the best stories out there. It is not. And so after like watching the episode 3 and Culling Game, and yes, the animation was brilliant, but मेरे को तो सब read करना पड़ा and it was quite a little boring for me, but that is just my opinion. Then we get to episode 4, which is hands down one of my favorite episode of this season, and mind you, the season has not even started. So episode 4, where we witness Maki and like the every scene Maki was in, I felt like Sexy Back needs to get played. Like there needs to be an anime edit जहाँ पे Sexy Back play हो रहा है when Maki is on the screen. Yes, after getting jump scared by Maki's mother in this scene, I was literally so into the story, and after Maki's clean cut of his so-called father and witnessing this little shit, I was almost in the mood to get rage bait और चिल्लाने वाली थी मैं. After which I literally witnessed the wonders of Maki Zenin जब उसने Zenin clan को literally face of the hurt से हटा. I've seen all the memes and everything that's made कि भाई manga में ये नहीं था और anime में ये है और anime में ये नहीं था, manga में ये है. Like I think that is clearly my point कि the creative direction of the show and the choices made by the director and the choices made by the storyboarding is brilliant. Hands down one of the best of the modern shonen manga and like seinen manga that can offer. Now this begs the question, is it the show which will be anime of the year? Well, after episode 4 comes out, Japan has said that foreign watchers only care about animation and the quote unquote nothing else, no story, just animation, and they will vote anything that has brilliant animation as the top tier and would not care about the story. I cannot fight against it because वैसे 2025 की anime of the year Solo Leveling थी. Yeah, and that is the anime only a 5-year-old kid who wants instant gratification will like. So 5 की anime of the year Solo Leveling थी. It is no wonder they are saying कि foreigner लोग सिर्फ animation को ही vote करते हैं, and that's why for them episode 4 is like the highest grossing episode. But I will disagree to that because episode 4 was yes well animated, but the story was also good. Like the story Zenin clan ने इतना बुरा किया and now eventually उनके साथ बुरा हुआ, and Gege chose Maki to do that and it was brilliantly done. So I have no notes on that. But also जब मैंने comment section देखा and foreigners were saying yes, of course Japanese people will not like anything that shows, because it's a patriarchal society, they will not like anything that shows a woman is greater than a man, and it's kind of damn. I was like, damn. But yeah, so I like the episode. Now it's time to witness कि इसके बाद और animes कौन, वैसे आगे आने वाले seasons में और बहुत सारे animes हैं जो आने वाले हैं which can dethrone Jujutsu Kaisen, but we have to wait and see. So now with this, subscribe, like and share my video if you like the opinion. And आपको अगर और एपिसोड्स के बारे में या और एनिमेज के बारे में जानना है या एनिमे रिकमेंडेशन चाहिए, बिकॉज आई लिटरली हैव अ डायरी, जब मैंने स्टार्टिंग से एंड तक जितनी भी एनिमे देखी है वो लिख रखी है उसके अंदर. सो इफ यू ऑल्सो वांट टू नो दैट, so please comment down below and I'll see you guys in the next one.